Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a Boxycharm box, not sure what one this is. So let me, I just literally slit the tape. So let's look. Oh, this is a premium. Yes, Boxycharm. Sometimes base is in a bigger box. So this is my premium for November 2022. Premium is $39.99 a month, 6 full-size beauty products. We customize 2 items. They promised like a $175, $200 value, something like that. I did remember my phone this time so that I could tell you what my items that I chose were. And I have, okay, I have that up on my phone. Theme is, it's giving giftable glam right here. And I have box, wow, excuse me. Yes, I am still sick, by the way. 222, maybe, I would have to, 22, 11, yeah, 222 p.m. is for premium, and they do give you a descriptive and a price. It seems like it's very small, or else my eyes are getting worse. One or the other, it's possible. A little stuff here. Ooh, here's my premium. Doesn't look too promising. I know the items that I chose, and this, I didn't choose it for myself because I already have this, so I'm going to give this to my sister. This is from Somerville, and this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. This is $76. It's a very nice moisturizer, but like I said, I have one. I do like it. So I'm going to let my sister try it. I forget, there was really nothing else that I wanted. And I'm not going to open this just in case I have any germs anywhere. I did wash my hands prior to starting, but, you know, then I cough, so then I just ruin it. So that I'm going to share with my sister. That was an item that I chose with that intention. And then the other one that I chose, which I don't know why I chose it, but I did, is from Iconic London. Precision Duo Contour Pots, $29. 2-in-1 cream and powder contour pot for natural lifted look. That might be why I chose it. Is there a shade? This says medium shadow on it. So let's open this up. I figured I would try it. I've been liking the cream, so this is what it looks like right here. Definitely a dual. Just trying to see the best way to open it. And it does have a little tiny mirror that is kind of blocked. So that's the first shade right there. And that is a little bit of a shimmer, which is okay, I guess. Oh, this one's even, I don't believe it or not, there's not a mirror on there, but you could use that as a mirror. And then this is the second shade. Not bad. I am not putting my fingers in anything today. If I'm going to swatch anything, I'll save this stuff and do it like on a swatching Sunday where I'm using the swabs. Unless I get a swab now. They're right here. You know what? I will do this now. I don't want to save something like this for... These I got on Amazon. My girlfriend mentioned them, and I thought these were a great, great idea. Just for ease of use. And if I just spit, I'm so sorry. That was not very ladylike. So, and they're two-sided, and then the white is double-sided. So I'll swatch these, but I'll use the swab. I don't want to be putting my finger in anything today if I can help it. Just for me, for future use. So that's the very first shade. And I'm just going to put it on my hand. And that's there. That's very light. Let me just do it again. And that's definitely buildable. It's not a bad eyeshadow right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. And then the second one, let me just, don't really want to do that either, but I can always just, well, that one definitely feels better. Let me just do the other one next to it. That's even lighter. Okay, let me see here. Maybe not. No, I just didn't put enough on my, so the second one is a cream. And that seems like a little patchy. The second one is beside it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that was that one. And that's definitely a cream. Let me just see if that's buildable. I mean, you can see them. I just don't know how much I like it or not. I'm just going to put that there. But I will give it a shot and see. Premium Duo Contour Pot. So it's a powder and a cream. I wish I could read that. So I'll give it a shot. I would tend to think more for shadow. I don't know if I would try that for like contouring or not, but I could. I mean, the shades are not too dark. $29, not bad. So now their picks for me, and I did get a crazy email from them about a duplicate product. I have no idea which box it's in. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm beyond caring about that stuff, especially when I don't feel good. I'm beyond caring anymore about this stuff. Complex Culture, executive level mascara, $28. And this is in black. I'll show you the tube. I probably will share this too. I'm not keeping full-size mascaras. Nice packaging though. It really is. But I'm just, you know, like I said, I'm not, I haven't been wearing mascara as of late. So, all right. Well, did I miss something? No, I don't think so. So here I have from Lawless Beauty, Forget the Filler, Lip Plumping, Line Smoothing Gloss, $25. And this says Rosy Outlook. I don't know if that'll focus or not. Let's see what you look like. I don't think I have anything from them. That's what the tube looks like. Forget the Filler. What is... Let's see. Well, that's a strange looking doe foot, but the shape of your lip. I'm just going to come over here. So this is just a gloss. And I'll show you. So it's just a shiny gloss right there. But let me see what it says. A clinically proven lip plumping treatment and ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits. Sheer Baby Pink. I don't think so. I don't see baby pink. Maybe on your lips you will. It says immediately lines are filled and the lip surface is smoothed. Okay, and it says with consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness, reducing the appearance of lip lines. Okay, well, if that is true, that's $25. That's nice. I don't see baby pink, but that's that. And then here I have a product from St. Luxe. And this is Morganite and Carnelian Gel Lip Liner Duo. Okay. They're lip liners. And you can see the two shades right here. If I could hold it. Let's give these a... There's the first one. I'll come up my arm a little bit. That's a nice neutral, right here. Nice neutral lip liner. I do love gel liners. St. Luxe has some nice ones. This is red right here. I'm going to keep this one because I have a few. And this is bright. But I have a few that I could use this with. A few lipsticks that definitely need a liner. Red will bleed for me. And I think for most people. How much are you? $30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I did miss this. It's up further on my paper. From Skin Inc. Serum Glow Filter, $50. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. I don't know if I've tried this in the past. I have tried some products. No, I don't think I have tried this one. That's pretty interesting. And it looks like this. You turn the plastic. Oh, that comes off. So that could you put it back on to keep it locked? Yeah, you could. So that's interesting. I'm not going to waste any of that. In case I don't keep it, I don't want to pump it. So let me add, and the two products, like I said, were the Kate Somerville and the Iconic London. Let's add this up and get a value for you. Not that I think anymore that really matters too much. I mean, yeah, it does, but I can't even read that. So I have a $238 value premium box. Is this a favorite premium? No. This, to me, is base vibes, base box vibes, not premium. Now, and I know last month they messed up, but this is premium because this is what I chose for premium. So, I don't know. I mean, it's like 50-50 makeup to skincare. I mean, there's 2 skincare products. The rest is makeup. So that's not horrible. I'm just like getting base vibes from the products, not premium vibes. For $40, I think with tax and everything else that they add on anymore, it's like $43 or $45 or something like that. So I do expect more from the higher end boxes, the premium and the luxe box. This to me is like I said, I'm getting too many base vibes. Like these are base box products for me and not premium. But, you know, I've never tried Lawless. I'm excited to try this, you know, and see what I think. The Iconic. I like the lip liner. So, you know, indicate Somerville, if I didn't have it, would be good. But I'm going to share that with my sister. Mascara and then the skin ink. I could do without those two and get other products. But, you know, if there are items that you want in your box, you know, definitely not horrible. Is it the worst premium I ever received? No. Clearly it's not the best premium I ever received. It's giving giftable glam. So I will be gifting one of the products. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I'm going to keep it short as much as I can. And you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.